Hi guys, we are here at Pacifica Dive and there's an ongoing sale. We'll check out some of the items they have on sale. Come on. So here in Pacifica, we have the Coral Cafe. So if you guys want to have a coffee break while doing shopping, they have good coffee and some sandwiches here. Okay, as soon as you enter, let's check out the wetsuits on sale. Let's check out the wetsuits. So these are all 5,000 each from original price of 12,900. You also have the profile, also 5,000 3mm. About 2,000. We got some gear wetsuits. These are ladies' wetsuits. Rash guards. For 1,000 pesos. Oh, buy one, get one. It's nice, no? Yes. Starting. This is buy one get one for 1,000 pesos. For the ladies. What's that? Woo, so cheap. Okay, here we have hood vest. 1,000 only. What's the hood like this? Can you show me, kids?
It has a hood on it.
It has a hood on it.
And it's like a vest.
Cool, right?
Yes.
Can you go over there to the light so you can see? This is for
1,000.
1,000 pesos. Cool. Okay, what's that? Kids wetsuit. It's like your old wetsuit. Can I see the front?
It's the front.
Nice.
Yeah.
You show me the others? What other colors are available?
There's pink for girls. Yellow.
Nice. Can you go back so I can see? Nice. Okay, what else?
There's green, pink, and
Rash guard. Sub gear. Cool. How much is that? Oh, still buy one, get one for the rash guard. 1,000 pesos. For those who like pink color? Yeah. Nice. That's your gift for mommy.
Maybe it's this.
I'm gonna buy that for mommy.
It's 1,000.
Oh.
I lose money.
So we have short tee for women, 1.5, and profile rash guard for also 1.5. Okay, let's check out the short tee. That's our model cage.
It is also Scuba Pro.
Yeah, Scuba Pro.
It's black, gray, blue, and white.
Yeah. It's called a short tee because it has
shorts here.
shorts there.
Yes, it's not long.
Okay, and then they also have the rash guard. Can you show me the rash guard, please?
Okay.
Hmm?
This is the rash guard.
There.
This is the rash guard. It's also the Scuba Pro. Its color is gray, black, white, and dark blue.
Okay, how much is that?
It is also 1,500.
Okay, nice. Cool. And they have the Everflex. Originally 18,900. It's now 5,000. I think there are two colors.
This one
There's black.
is black, and
There's
this one is red,
Red.
and black.
black. And then I think I see at the back.
It's white.
It's white. Yeah.
Just very white.
Just we're looking for macro for the
Macro.
GoPro. That is a
Hero
fine.
compatible with Hero 6. And it's also compatible with GoPro 3, 3 Plus, 4, and 5.
How much is it?
It is It is 7,900 pesos.
And it's 50 off.
It's a 50 off.
So
This one, Flip 6.
for the dry bag, are you also?
The dry bag. The dry bag is also sale. It's 800 pesos. And it's color yellow. And it's big.
Okay, hi guys, we are here in Pacifica Dive Shop with Torben. And
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for showing us around, Torben. We went around and checked out the wetsuits and everything. So, tell us about your sale.
So we have some wetsuits that are on sale. We have some other products like the Pelican cases right here that we have on sale. We have masks and fins from the last season on sale. They are of course brand new, and they're of course last season because 2019 comes to an end. As a highlight, we have some dive lights, way more than 50% down.
Oh wow!
And we have dive computers, the Mantis 1 and Mantis 2 as well, more than 50% discounted right now, until supplies last.
Oh, cool.
So come over and have a look what's here.
Okay guys, come visit and check out Pacifica Dive Shop. So they got a lot of items on sale and it's while supply lasts. So hurry up and come check it out. Okay, thanks Torben.
Thank you.
Great.